Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, how AI is transforming our daily lives. You might be surprised to know that artificial intelligence is everywhere, from your morning routine to your late night social media scroll. So let's break it down and explore how AI is working behind the scenes in ways we use every day. Let's start with something simple. Your morning routine. Many of us rely on smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, whether it's setting an alarm, checking the weather, or getting traffic updates. AI is powering these smart assistants to make your life easier. AI helps these devices understand natural language so they can process your request and give accurate responses. And it's not just about convenience. AI adapts to your preferences over time, learning to provide more relevant information. Next up, let's talk about your smartphone. Every time you unlock your phone with facial recognition, you're using AI. Facial recognition uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your features and match them with saved data. It's super quick, secure, and yes, powered by AI. But it doesn't stop there. AI also helps with features like autocorrect, predictive text, and even the camera. Have you noticed how your phone camera can adjust lighting or suggest the perfect filter? That's AI at work, enhancing your photos and making sure they're Insta-worthy. Now let's talk about how AI is influencing what we watch and what we see online. Whether you're binge-watching a series on Netflix or scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, AI is constantly analyzing what you like and recommending new content. Streaming platforms use AI algorithms to track your viewing habits, predict your preferences, and suggest shows or movies you might enjoy. Similarly, social media platforms use AI to curate your feed, ensuring the posts and ads you see match your interests. Pretty cool, right? Finally, let's not forget how AI is changing the way we shop. When you browse online stores, AI algorithms track what you're searching for, which products you click, and even what's in your cart. Based on this, they recommend other items you might like. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also behind chatbots that help answer your questions and assist you while you shop, making the experience faster and more personalized. As you can see, AI is all around us, making life more convenient, efficient, and personalized without us even realizing it. From waking up to going to bed, AI is part of our everyday routines. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool content. How do you use AI in your daily life? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.